searching for. If the world turned its back on you, even if the sky shut out moon and sun, I'd try to find a way out of this world. All we need is just praying for the day. What is going on, and that's play. People are meant to play. Oh, Santi's creeping over me. But can we be? Just hold on to my hand. back and forth. Life is moving on. Sometimes I feel